Hey, welcome back to 50 Targeted Traffic Methods for Online Business. We're still talking about LinkedIn. And so in the first video, what we did was we just went to the splash page of LinkedIn. We're going to go ahead and take a closer look at LinkedIn right now. And one of the things you'll notice is that LinkedIn is going to try to give you some suggestions on some people that you can sign up with. I'm going to go ahead, we're going to skip this step. And of course you can share all of your information on social media. You can go ahead and do these things. We're not really going to focus on that right now. Of course, you'll be faced with whether or not you want to take a basic or a premium account. I would say you can just take a basic one. Now, what you want to do when you get to this section for your profile is to fill it all the way out. So everything that they give you the opportunity to fill out. Now, there are going to be certain things that you don't want to have in your profile. You don't want to put anything that's irrelevant. So the education that might be relevant to somebody who's being interested in your niche, you want to include it. If it's not going to be relevant, you don't want to include it. You want to make sure your photo, your skills and expertise, so that when people are doing a search for things in your niche, that you are actually coming up as somebody who would be a good candidate to connect with. You want people to view you as worthy of connecting to, as well as connecting to people who are worthy. So again, now here's what we're going to do. We are going to then now take a look for some groups. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start by taking a look for some groups. And we're going to put our search terms in here. Okay, and so you'll see a couple of different groups. Here's an RC model airplanes enthusiast. We can check that one out. Now we can join this group, and we'll see some other related groups that we can actually join. Now again, the key in joining groups is that you want to be a contributor. Okay, so if you're not quite ready to share yet, and you want to get inside these groups and learn at the very least what people are interested in inside of your niche. You're trying to get traffic back to your site. So the way that you're going to get traffic back to your site is people being interested enough in the things you're saying in order to then want to come back to your particular site. And as you join the different groups that you feel are relevant to your niche, again, LinkedIn, you want to keep your interaction tight. And what I'm going to suggest to you is that you find the people that you want to connect with inside of the groups that you join. Now, not all of the groups are going to be groups that will allow you to join right away. Some will allow you to join after an application process. Now, I'm not going to join this group because my profile isn't filled out and I'm really going to look like a spammer. You don't want to look like a spammer. You don't want to be a spammer, first of all, but you definitely don't want to look like a spammer because no one's going to want you in their group. And so that's why you want to make sure that you have your profile filled out and that it has lots of relevant things in there for your niche. Again, what you're doing is you're connecting directly with people who are going to be interested in your particular topic area or niche. Okay, so let's go back and recap here. Okay, now your connections are going to have an email address that you can use. Again, just be careful about how you use that email address. One of the ways in which you're going to find people to connect with is to offer them additional exposure. They're always interested in that. And then we talked about groups that you can use in order to build your credibility. Okay, so we're going to build this profile pretty much around our niche and our interaction within the niche. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in the next video.